Hi guys, so let's make these beautiful bracelets or hand bangles, anyone you want to call it, with straw. So let's try this DIY craft with straw. So all you need actually is straw, scissors, and a rope. You can use wool or you can use any rope of your choice, or you can even use ribbon as far as you know how to use it very well. So now you get your straw, different types of straw. If you want to use just one straw, no problem, but if you want to mix the color, no problem. So now we're going to cut the straw. So you can use broom to get your measurements, or you can use ruler to get your measurements. You can use anything actually to get your measurements, so that your hand will be straight and so that you get the same size. But I'll be using the straws I've cut to get my own measurements. So you can use anything actually to get your measurements. So now you make sure everything is the same. You make sure the sizes are the same. Make sure no one is bigger than anyone, or else you want to style it, you want to style your own, no problem. But if you're doing this particular one I'm doing, you have to make sure they come out in the same size. So after getting your correct and complete measurement, make sure to cut enough straw so that you don't hang on the way. So after getting your complete measurement, all you need to do is to go straight for your wool. Like I said, you can use wool, you can use rope, you can use ribbon, you can use anything you can actually find. So for my wool, I'll be cutting it into the size that won't stress me. So when you're cutting your wool or your rope or your ribbon or anything you're using, make sure it is not too long so you don't go through a lot of stress. So I'm just going to cut this in the perfect size. So after cutting it, next you get a tape so that you can tape the wool to the table, or tape your ribbon or rope or anything you're using to the table so that it doesn't stress you. Then you're going to tie the mouth, because the mouth will be what we'll be using for our finishing products. Should I put it like that? Okay, so you're going to tie the mouth, and make sure to tie not too big and not too small, because that is what we'll be using to close everything up here. So like I said, you get your tape and you tape your wool or rope or anything you're using to the table so that it doesn't stress you. So now all we're going to do is we're going to start putting the rope or the wool into the straw. So you can see the way I'm doing it, one from this side, another one from that other side. So make sure to spread the wool so that you can easily put your wool into your straw. So after putting one from this side, one from the other side, you just gently drag it to the end. So that is part of the reason why the tape is there, so that it prevents it from going too far, and also it prevents it from dangling around or stressing you. So yeah, this is what you just continue doing to all your straws till you're actually done with the whole straw. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, after subscribing, please turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you will be notified. And also let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you like this video, we'll be coming up with a different style next time. Maybe instead of doing this straight way, we'll be giving it different designs, or yeah, like I said, different styles. So make sure you don't over put the straw, because this is a bangle, or else you want to turn it to maybe necklace or chain, but this is actually a bangle. So make sure you're measuring your hand as you're doing it, so you don't do excess. So yeah, like you see, I measured my hand so that I'm very sure I've not actually passed. So when you're done with this whole putting of straw, you're going to now tie the mouth. The last straw you're going to put, you will tie the mouth, you tie the rope there so that it doesn't fall off, or so that it doesn't lose. Make sure to tie it well, but not too tight, so you don't scatter the straw. So as you can see, the straw is actually, should I say, flexible? Yeah, it is not too tight. It is something that would enter my hand even after fixing or putting everything together. As you can see, it is not too tight at all. So like I said, the last part, you just have to like tie them out so it doesn't come off. So now remember I said we should tie that rope at the beginning. So this is why you're tying the rope, so that after doing all this, you can just easily hang that part you tied to the last part of your straw, so that it's not every time you want to wear the bangle you keep tying and untying. You can just easily remove this cap. Yeah, I can call it cap. Remove this cap from it. So if your hand is big, you can leave the rope big like that. If it's not and you ended up tying bigger mouth, you can just tie again to shorten it. Yeah, instead of cutting it off, you can just tie again like I'm doing to like shorten it. Then you hang at the last part, like I said. So now you can easily wear this your bracelets. Yeah, now you can easily wear it. And with the way I did mine, I can actually wear and remove it without actually removing this mouth. So it is very easy and very simple, and I hope you've learned this one. So I'll be showing you another method also. I prefer this one to the other one though, but most of you might like the other one, but I prefer this one to the other one. So I'll be showing you another method actually, so that it's not just this one we learned today. So for the other one, you'll be needing your iron. As you can see, this is actually very fine. This is actually beautiful, and if people don't see you making it, most times it will be hard for them to even tell it's actually a drinking straw. Yeah, so for the other one, we need paper. That's paper you can iron actually, and then you need your straw, and then you need iron also. So you get your straws. Like I said, if you want to use the same color, no problem. If you want to mix the colors, no problem. So you get your straw, you arrange your straw on the paper, and then you just fold the paper so that you can iron the straw. So we're ironing the straw to like join all straws together so that they don't start falling off. So you're going to iron the straw. Make sure not to iron too much so that you don't end up losing everything, because the whole straw is actually going to melt. So make sure to monitor what you're ironing. So after ironing everything, once everything is should I say joined, yeah, so next we'll move to the we'll move to the next part. So please, like I said, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. So after ironing the straw, you remove the straw from the paper. Make sure to be gentle with this so you don't actually end up opening the straw or scattering the straw. So be gentle with it. And if your paper sticks to your straw, you can easily use water to actually remove the paper from the straw. So now when you're done with the ironing process, now you have to check if the straw is the same size with your hand. If it is not, you can actually cut it to the size of your hand if you don't want it too big. So you can just cut it to the size of your hand like I actually did, or like I'm doing now. So you keep checking for the size so you don't overcut it. So make sure not to cut at once. Make sure to size and cut, size and cut. So once you've gotten your exact size, now you can pull hole in these two places I'm showing you here, as the two last parts of the straw. And put hole there, and then you can tie your wool or your rope or your ribbon or anything you want to tie to it. So you just tie that one to the mouth and then you wear it. So yeah, I had to use a pen to make sure the rope enters the straw well. So if your rope is not also entering your straw very well, you can use something to like assist you. And make sure the rope you're putting is not too much so it won't stress you. Make sure it's not too long. Make sure it's just the perfect size so it won't actually stress you. So that is all. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you actually like this, if you actually want to wear this, if you would actually want to think of this as a business. I don't know, let me know in the comment section. So, and also let me know if you want to see other designs with straw. Let me know if you want me to make a necklace with it. Let me know that much in the comment section, so I'll be sure to do that. See, this is beautiful and this is nice. Like I said, I still prefer the first one, and I'm still going to go with the first one. I'll actually be wearing this out. I don't know, it looks good and I like it, so I'll be wearing it out. So thank you for staying with me on today's video. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Thank you. And we have so many videos, so feel free to check out our channel for interesting content. Have a nice day. Bye.